I take back every piece of me I gave away. I take back every piece of me I take away. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Queen Halma. If you are new, welcome. And if you're old subscribers, thank you for your likes, thank you for your comments, thank you for your share, thank you for your support. It's an honor to have you. Affirmation for reclaiming your power. Affirmation for reclaiming your power. I want to remind you about this. Taking back control and standing tall again is very important. Taking back control and standing tall again is very important. It is number one thing that you should make a priority in your life. It's the number one thing that you should think of. Taking control, taking the power back, taking back control and standing tall again. You are who you are. You are strong, you are beautiful, and you are intelligent. Now, let's dive into our affirmation. 1. My story is no longer about pain, it is about power. My story is no longer about pain, it is about power. 2. I am not what happened to me, I am what I became after it. I am not what happened to me, I am what I became after it. I choose strength over fear. I choose strength over fear. I choose strength over fear. 4. I am no longer the victim in my story. I am the survivor. I am no longer the victim in my story. I am the survivor. 5. Every wound or ill become weapon of wisdom. Every wound or ill become weapon of wisdom. 6. My confidence grows louder than their control. My confidence grows louder than their control. 7. I take back every piece of energy I gave away. I take back every piece of energy I take away. 8. My strength is rooted in self-respect. My strength is rooted in self-respect. 9. I stand in my truth without fear of apologies. I stand in my truth without fear of apology. 10. What once break me now build me. What once break me now build me. 11. I trust myself more than I trust their approval. I trust myself more than I trust their approval. 12. I arise every day with courage and clarity. I arise every day with courage and clarity. My final affirmation. I am the power I once looked for in others. I am the power I once looked for in others. I am the power I once looked for in others. If you find this affirmation helpful, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Your contribution, your support is all I need. Remember to contribute on us on the comment section. Let me know your favorite and the best affirmation in this affirmation. Stay positive. Never give up. You are strong. You are intelligent. You are beautiful. You are who you are. See you